Welcome to my YouTube channel Airdrop World. Friend, new project Santa Coin new project. It is a hyper differentiation token project with the reflection in the BUSD. The main aim of this project is that when we make a transaction, it means that when we buy or sell this Santa Coin, that 13% of their transaction will be sent to their holders, their liquidity pools, and their funding mechanism. If we check it their details, so you can check that their details are given in this article, their Medium article. So if we check it that, so you can check their details, their feature, liquidity pool, Santa ecosystem, and if we check in it this article, yes, Santa tokenomics. Friends, 8% of their transaction, it means that when we make a transaction of 1 million Santa coins, it means that 8% of their reward, 8% of their 13% is the fees. It means that 8% is given to the token holders to ensure BUSD daily rewards to holders, and 2% is given to the liquidity pool, liquidity fees to ensure steady rise of the liquidity pool, and 3% is for to buyback and plus burn to green candle. It means that 3% is goes to burning mechanism or buyback features and many other things. So in 1% is goes is for the marketing wallet. So it means that their 14% is their total fees is going to their is this process. So if you hold it, you don't need to do anything, just hold Santa coins and earn free rewards. It means that if you hold Santa 1 million Santa coins, then when a person makes a transaction, it means that they buy or sell any make a person any make any transaction, it means you will earn reward. Their 8% of their transaction is distributed to all holders. So it means that there if you hold coins, your quantity increases gradually, so you don't need to do anything. So and if you hold Santa coins, you will earn rewards as a staking bonus in BUSD, and this is the most important and the most beneficial thing that they are doing. So if we check their claim rewards, so you can check on their website. So this is the page. So here is the page that, so if you have to connect their wallet, their MetaMask wallet, and many more options are available here. So when you hold coins, their tokens are shown in this area, and your earned your BUSD are shown in this area. It means that when you hold coins, you will earn BUSD as a staking bonus as a holding bonus. So when you BUSD is a stable coin. It means that, so you don't need to worry about that. So this is the most beneficial, and the best thing is that rewards are automatically sent every 60 minutes. Our staking or holding rewards are sent on every 60 minutes, so don't need to wait any 2 days, 3 days, or a 1 month or 2 months to claim their rewards. So every 60 minutes we can withdraw their rewards. So it can however take longer depending on your holding and trading volume. So rewards will be triggered once they are big enough to cover the gas fee. It means that when rewards are big, so if an hour their transactions are very low, and if they send these rewards to holder, they have a lot of fees to send this reward. So it means that they will not send us, they will combine this one or reward to next or reward, and send to the and send these both or rewards to the holders. So this is all the details. You can check it. You can also manually claim unclaimed rewards, but you will need to pay the gas fees. So these are all the features of the reward distributed to holders contacted as USD address. So this is the holding page, and if we check their details, so it is Santa is basically a meme coin. It was introduced on November 2021. Quickly developed its own strong online community within the first week. Thanks to their structure, Santa differs substantially from the other meme coin. You get rewards in BUSD as long as you are holding Santa. So this is the best thing about that, make him unique from the other projects. So there are the tokenomics, token supply. There is a token supply, total burn, marketing, token for marketing, and team initial market cap to $40K. Why we choose a market Santa coin? Because they have different features. They have anti-whale system, multiple buybacks, liquidity pool, BUSD reflection. So these are their features that why we hold, that why we choose this project. So and their roadmap, November 2021, today is in November 2021 month. Listing on PancakeSwap, CoinGecko, they are very up to date with their roadmap. So in Q1 2022 they have Santa F1 racing game launch, and 2022 partnership with the Pro Gamers More marketing, and they have many features that are coming in the next phase. So if we check their Medium account, their Medium account is very active. They have many whitelist competition. They have started the whitelist competition. So and there are all the details, USD rewards. There what is Santa coins, Santa games. With the Santa ecosystem, the Santa ecosystem comes with the exciting feature that guarantees steady USD rewards to holders. This is the game play to earn racing Santa game, and the name is Santa F1 racing game. DApp and Swap exchange. So DApp and Swap exchange that is in their future planning. Anti-whale system. So anti-whale system is their best feature. Our contract counts with the simple, straightforward whale discouragement system. No sale amounts higher than 25% of the total supply are possible at once. Initially, it was at 0.25, but after 50% tokens were burnt, we have reduced it by 50%. They discourage or at least reduces big sell-offs, since the amount will be lower in the end. So this is the most important feature. Multiple buybacks, liquidity pool, and there are many more features. So if we can check their social media account. Social media account is very active, and they are regularly communicating with their community. You can check their Santa amount, holding amount, BNB value. Here's all the details. Santa claimable rewards. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching my video.